Hello guys, my name is Tlina and today I'm going to be going through question 2 from this ordinary level junior cert mock paper from 2022, and this question is worth 15 marks in total. So let's get straight into it. So the first question is an area and volume question, and it tells us that a rectangle has a length of 7 centimeters and a width of 3 centimeters. And question A, which is worth 5 marks, asks us to find the perimeter of the rectangle. So we know that the perimeter is the distance all the way around the rectangle, just like this. So we know that one side is 3 centimeters and one side is 7 centimeters. But we also know that in a rectangle, the opposite sides have equal length. So this is also 3 and this is also 7. So if we just add the 4 sides together, we'll get the perimeter. So it's 3 plus 7 plus 3 plus 7, and this gives us 20 centimeters. And you can use your calculator if you're having difficulty with this addition. So now let's move on to question B, which is also worth 5 marks. And it tells us that a square has the same perimeter as the rectangle shown above, and that find the length of the side of the square. So if it has the same perimeter as the rectangle, it's 20, yeah? But we know that in a square, all 4 sides are the same. So 20 is equal to 4 times the length. So we'll call the length L. So now we need to find the length of the side. So how do we do that? We can get the 4 here and divide it here. So 20 divided by 4 is equal to L. Okay, and that's just something you can do in maths. If you have A is equal to BC, you can write it as A divided by C is equal to B. So now we have 20 divided by 4 is L. We can get our calculator if we want. 20 divided by 4 to find that L is equal to 5. Okay, and that's in centimeters, 5 centimeters. So now we're going to move on to question C, which asks us which shape has a greater area, the rectangle or the square, and place a tick in the box beside the one with the greatest area. So how do we find the area of a shape? It's the length by the width. So for the rectangle, we know that the length was 7 centimeters and the width was 3 centimeters. So the area is the length by the width, which is 21 centimeters squared. And we know that in the square, the length and the width were both 5 centimeters. So 5 by 5 is 25 centimeters. And so 25 centimeters is obviously greater than 21 centimeters. So we give the square a little tick, and that is the shape with the greatest area. So that's all for this video. That's that question done and 15 marks in the bag. So I hope that you could follow me through the video and that it all makes sense for you now.